The Supreme Court just ruled 8-3 against the government in a historic case regarding the starting of Brexit negotiations. But what was the case really about, and what will its outcome mean regarding the Brexit process? First, what's important to note is that, to quote the judgment, this case has nothing to do with issues such as the wisdom of the decision to withdraw from the EU. Rather, it's purely a decision based on and about the laws of the UK. Moreover, the judgment won't stop Brexit from happening, it'll just change how Article 50 is triggered. The judgment was mainly about whether the government could use the royal prerogative, a rule which means that the government can join and leave international treaties without consulting Parliament, to trigger Article 50 and leave the EU. The contention was, however, that according to UK law, royal prerogative can only be used if it doesn't affect domestic, i.e. British laws. Since leaving the EU would also mean editing or ending a lot of laws linked with the EU, the government therefore couldn't use royal prerogative to trigger Article 50, and would instead first have to consult Parliament, putting leaving the EU up for vote. This does not mean that Brexit is not going to happen. It is still a near certainty, given that neither the Tories nor Labour could go against Article 50 without losing votes to UKIP. It does, however, mean that MPs can propose additions to the law, like Labour MPs Chuka Umar's suggestion that the government would have to give £350 million a week extra to the NHS, as promised by many Vote Leave campaigners. It would stop Theresa May from organising a Brexit that suits her and her interests without any limitations or oversight. The ruling also means that pro-Brexit MPs can try and create a Brexit they feel the British people voted for, not a Brexit that will be made up of tax cuts for the super rich as May is currently suggesting. In short, the ruling is good for both hard and soft Brexit camps, as well as democracy as a whole. The only person it's bad for is Theresa May. Thanks for watching.